Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving into a fascinating and simple technique that might just change the way you manifest your desires. It's called the two-cup manifestation technique, and trust me, it's as intriguing as it sounds. It's simple and quick, and you might want to try it out. Rooted in the principles of quantum physics and the law of attraction, this technique is all about shifting your reality from what is to what you wish it to be. And all you need are 2 cups, water, and a piece of your belief. Fill the first cup with water while thinking on the current situation that you're looking to change. It could be anything. Maybe you're in a job you don't love, or you're seeking more abundance. This cup, filled with water, represents your current state. Now, on the second cup, write down what you wish to manifest. Let's say your dream job or financial abundance. Here's where the magic happens. As you pour the water from the first cup to the second, envision your reality changing. It's not just water moving from one cup to another, it's you moving closer to your desires. Finally, drink the water from the second cup. By doing so, you're embodying the change, accepting the new reality into your life. It's a powerful act of faith and intention. Remember, the 2-cup manifestation technique isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about setting a clear intention, believing in the possibility of change, and taking action towards your desires. So what reality are you ready to shift into? Grab your cups and let's make it happen. For more tips on transforming your life and unlocking your full potential, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep manifesting your dreams.